Is that you? Is that you? It is! Do you want to request? Or you might actually just be able to join because Pookie's part leader and she's never on private. Can you join?
Nah. Put it on private. Nah, joke.
Damn. Epic quick bit for me?
Yeah.
Yay!
Now you're party leader.
Oh. The excitement is gone. Right. I'm gonna go get myself killed in this game and then just not come back. That sounds like fun.
That sounds like my plan.
What up? Taking a piss and going for a shower. That's lovely. I shouldn't read that out loud. Sorry, wifey.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Wow, Pookie. What? Hi.
What? I mean, hi.
Oh no, don't do that. Go back to the other one.
Hi.
How are you?
Oh, good.
Hi.
What's that?
How are you? How's your day going?
Why can't I? Why did they disable Caper? Does anyone know?
They took out the floors as well.
Why?
Oh.
What the fuck? Apparently it's giving performance issues. They like that skin. Fortnite's a performance issue. What the fuck? Slurped.
Oh.
Don't rush me.
He rushing.
He rushing.
Just in case of an emergency.
You know who doesn't have performance issues? Oh my god, it's Toad and Pikachu. Thank you for the follow. Oh, hey.
Oh shit.
In Fortnite, yes. Nah, I'm asking for real because it ain't me. Aww. I'm sorry. My bad. Where are we going? Thanks, Christina. Oh, it's crazy. I'm sorry. It was funny in my head.
Where are we going?
Yeah. Where are you going? Here we go.
All in my head.
All of my
I'm
head.
going here.
There's one chest here.
Have fun.
Do,
Oh, I see it.
do, do, do.
I can't mark it. I give up.
Where's everyone going? Are you coming down here?
Oh,
I want these.
you don't want the gun?
Get a room each.
You just.
No, I want to die.
Where are you from? Khan.
Who, me?
Yeah.
I am Saudi
Oh, these
Arabia.
are cool.
Sorry.
South Africa.
No, Saudi Arabia, Middle East.
Oh shit.
Oh.
I get put out to tear it.
Oh my
I thought you said
god.
South Africa.
Hang on.
Yeah, that's now I get why my fingers high.
What's it on at the
Get
moment?
put out terrorists.
Oi! You shut the fuck up.
Yes, sir.
I just got stirred.
No,
Don't be racist.
Shush.
Fuck, racism is part of a multicultural cause.
Doesn't mean carry it on. Be better. Don't be better. Be better.
Huh?
I missed. You wanna see something? Yeah, what is it?
Oh, oh yeah, I'm dead. Yeah. Happy life.
Gotcha.
Those 3 people running right there. Yeah.
Oh, you motherfucker! I ran out of that. And he's still running.
No, no, no! Oh.
And I'm getting back shots. I'm stuck!
Yep.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm dead.
They run. Okay. I saw that. Oh, what the? Oh, I wasn't watching. I was looking up. Why was I looking up? I got distracted. Wait. Jeez.
Oh.
Go play and it'll get better. That's why I'm rushing. Actually, yeah, no, okay.
Do you suck dick that loud as well? Holy shit.
His mic is really loud. Why did you read that out loud? It's habit. I'm so sorry. I'll stop reading things out loud. As soon as something out the gate, I'll read it out loud.
I will.
Go on in.
Oh, I will.
Sir, I will do as I please.
No, I'm not reading that one. Get fucked.
Sir, I will do as I please. Don't tell me what to do.
Okay.
Sorry.
I was just about to play that out loud, Joe. Sup, Sundog? How are you? Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum, these nuts.
Who gonna stop me? The fuck is that? Annoying ass voice. I wonder.
But
It's not annoying, but I wonder. Wa alaikum assalam.
whoa.
Luscious mum likes eating corn dogs.
Oh,
That wasn't even that bad.
It could get better.
Better.
How's your blue waffles? Wait, what are they? Waffles.
Assalamu alaikum. Why?
Oh, do you want another one?
Go on, see me another one. I'm dying.
Wait, I need to mute this so I can listen to this.
Oh wait, is there another voice message? Should I play it out loud?
No.
So no, don't play that one out loud.
No.
Oh, that wasn't even that bad. The other one was way worse. Actually, no, it wasn't. What, blue waffles put you off waffles? Crazy. I have such fucked up conversations. None of them are bad. No, they're not. I don't know. I should say no. Ah! Did you just slurp?
Listen to that one.
Just out loud?
Yeah, I don't care.
Go suck on the blue waffles.
Okay. Okay. What the fuck?
What do you want?
I'm so glad I didn't play that second one. Okay.
Wait, I want to play this again. Wait, what did he say?
I'll suck on them with their Dianis.
Huh?
Is she recording another one? She is.
Sorry,
Don't
not
play
today.
that. Oh my gosh!
Sorry, not
I
today.
played it twice.
Don't.
I'm not listening to yours, motherfucker. It'll be something fucked up that'll get me bad.
Fucked up?
Sorry, not today.
Oh, I just listened to myself.
Oh, yeah.
Am I playing this one out loud
Oh,
too?
yeah, my bad, my bad. I'll try again next week.
Next week.
I'll try again next week.
Mm-hmm.
Listen to what I just said. Not out loud.
Fuck off, that Galaxy.
I'm not. Pardon? You just tell me fuck off. No, you fuck off.
Fuck next year. I'm trying as soon as she go off stream.
What?
Wait, do it again? After I go off the stream. What is wait? Wait. Am I allowed to play that one out loud?
Wait, who's in your chat?
Nah, let me stop. Who cares? Play it.
Okay, I'll play it.
Fuck next year. I'm trying as soon as she go off stream.
Okay. Beyond
Just
30
keep swimming,
meters.
just keep swimming.
I bet.
Oh, fuck.